Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat. You can't send messages to your friends. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat, you can't send messages to your friends. You should just go to settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this window, you will enter to this page of Snapchat. After that, in this list, you will go to click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page, you will go to click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.